Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Nancy. Today I'll be showing you how to make this pom-pom using toilet paper rolls. We will need the toilet paper rolls, some yarn, and a pair of scissors. So let's begin. You'll first make a knot. I prefer using 2 strands of yarn so that it can be faster. Maybe the process can be faster when wrapping it around the toilet paper rolls. So we make a knot. Just the knot is just helpful when securing the yarn so that it's easier for you to begin. So after you've made the knot and placed it in between the two toilet paper rolls, so you'll start wrapping your yarn around the two toilet paper rolls. So according to me, so far, like for this pom-pom, I wrapped around 50 50 times. Yeah, 50 times. So the more you wrap, the thicker, the stiffer it will become, and the more fluffy it will be. But when you, like for example this one, I did 40 rounds. So we are going to wrap around 50 times. So here is it is I've already wrapped 50 times. So we are going to cut it off. Then just cut another length of yarn. We are going to tie it round. So after we've passed it through these two toilet paper rolls, we are going to make a knot. We are going to tie. So this is the knot, but I prefer doing it twice so that it can be more secure. But don't be too tight at this point because you may end up destroying the toilet paper rolls. Then after that you just get it off slowly. Here we go. So here is our pom-pom, though not yet ready. So we are just going to pull. Just make it tighter. Then tie the second time again so that it can be more secure. After that, it's time to chop these loops. I prefer a bigger scissor because it is faster, but even if you have a small scissor, you can just chop them in small bits, small portions, you see. So we are chopping the loops. It's not hard, it's easy. In fact, it's so enjoyable. So this is our pom-pom, but as you can see, it's not as beautiful as we want it to be. It's not as stiff and fluffy as you would like it to be. So, but people are different. Maybe you'll want to use it this way, I don't know, but as for me, I would prefer it to be more fluffy. So for it to be more fluffy, here is where the mess begins, because we have to chop off the excess yarn just to make it more fluffy. and stiffer. So here we go, we keep chopping. You see it's messy, but you can just, for example, if you're doing a lot of pompons, if you're making a lot of pompons, you can just work on a sheet, then later you can dispose it. But for a creative person, maybe you can use this waste yarns for other activities. Maybe one of these days we will use them to do something else. Just a matter of being creative. But you can still trash them. So here we go. You see, the more you keep, the more you chop, actually the more fluffy it becomes. Meaning, if we go further than this, it will be even more fluffier. But this is how far we'll go. So you keep making it, just keep chopping to make it look more beautiful, more fluffy, more stiffer. See, it is coming out beautiful. Actually, it's so enjoyable. I personally enjoy it. It's something so beautiful to do. It's fun. I hope you enjoy it as you do your pompons, as you make them. I hope you will enjoy. So as you can see, our pompon is ready. Yeah, it is. All these are wastes. You can trash them or you can use them for other crafts. So here's our pompon, our fluffy, beautiful pompon. There are so many things you can use this for. You see they look flowery, they look beautiful. You can make a mat using them. You can make flowers, you can just decorate your wall, home decor just for wall hanging. Yeah, here they are, our pompons are ready. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you again in another video.